It looks like we've lost Mira and Zoe! Heart eyes? Oh, that's not a good sign. Neither is that. Did someone turn the heat up? Sorry, that was corny. Need salt. Uh-oh, Rumi, I think your friends need you. Oh no! They've turned to the dark side. We need to make a potion to save them. Off to Spunky Land. Ooh, Pinky needs our help. Come on, pull! Pull harder! We're gonna need something stronger. It seems like we need to dig a little deeper. Remember, give a hoot and don't pollute. Or at the very least, clean up after yourselves. Wow, a rainbow fish! Want to have a bite? Yes, you really are what you eat. Careful, looks like there's some sea demons. Hurry, look for some treasures in the sand. Ooh, look at all these cool seashells. And how about a star for a star? Fish, that is. It's all what we need to fight back. Good thing, too. These are dangerous waters. Pinky needs a boost. Come on, Rumi, let down your hair. Wow, grapes! The first ingredient we need. Ooh, watch out for those falling plants. Don't worry, it's an easy fix. We just need some air. Up and away. Hey, look, it's our old pal Derpy.
Wow.
And it looks like he's found something. Behind that plant. There's a lot of fish around here. Did the aquarium have a sale? Still, Derpy wants a pink fish for lunch. Well, guess third time's the charm around here. So good, he'll have seconds. And thirds. Hope you enjoyed your meal. Now it's time for a tooth checkup. Show us those pearly whites. Ooh, some kitty needs to floss. Don't worry, we can help clean up those teeth. Uh-oh, it looks like that one tooth has got to go. And there's a fish bone stuck underneath. You're gonna need a replacement. Go gold or go home. Don't worry, she minored in metalwork. After all, even pop stars need a backup plan. Aw, Derpy, you're positively golden! Oh, hey, Oren. What's wrong? You look hungry. This vending machine could help, but we need cash. Looks like Rumi needs to sing for your supper. Great success. Let's hope we've got exact change. Now to try things out. What flavor should we pick? Mira's ramen? Let's hope Oren likes things spicy. Well, at least you know it's crunchy. Let's try the one with your name on it. Rumi's flavor for the superstar in you. Ooh, wish we had some of that on Halloween. Okay, no more Mr. Nice Demon Hunter. Well, we're swimming in ramen now. But something tells me we need a new plan. Why not try some ice cream instead? How about a nice big scoop of blueberry? There's room for a few extra scoops. It kind of looks like we're making a face. But we're gonna need to add some eyes. And a nice big chocolate sauce smile. Also, sprinkles. It's like glitter for ice cream. Kinda looks like Derpy, but not for long. Ooh, a bone? We could use it to make soup. Uh-oh, it's one of the Saja boys. Talk about their true colors. Well, looks like we're heading down the rabbit hole. He's a ghost, and not the friendly kind. It's raining rocks! Dance for your life, RUMI! He's coming down! What's he gonna do? I'm starting to think he's not very nice. We need a secret weapon! Aha! Slime! Now we can see where he's been. Next, a girl power. Make that powder. But he's still a little transparent. Deep down. Uh-oh! Our last life! Time to bring out the sword. Oh, guess it really is what's inside that counts. Especially if you're filled with jewels. Next up, RUMI and Jinu are having a dance battle. With this game, you've gotta strike a pose. Don't worry, we can mold you into shape. After all, you RUMIs have got to stick together. Because sometimes, you just gotta help yourself. Jinu's got the lead, but don't worry, this isn't a race. But heads up, the fourth position is a bit of a challenge. How are you with standing on your head? Uh-oh, Jinu's got a special trick up his sleeve. But you can't keep a good RUMI down. Actually, she's kind of stuck in a pretzel. But there's always the bonus game to save the day. Oh, this seems simple enough. Just slide everything into place. Don't get stressed. Just go with the flow. RUMI's won! And let's check out your prize. Flower. Maybe it's some kind of herb. And they say flying's the only way to travel. First they run out of peanuts, now the demons. But RUMI can't fight on an empty stomach. Good thing the snack cart is right here. Our special puzzle pieces will show what RUMI needs. Let's see, some gimbap, ramen, some cake. Would you like some fries with that? Plus a hot dog and pizza. And a donut and some K-pop fried chicken. Let's hope RUMI's worked up an appetite. We've got all your favorites and then some. Do you need some spinach? Let's get demon hunting. It looks like we're starting things off with a simple card game. And it looks like RUMI's the winner. Now let's land this plane to safety. Do you have a map? Well, let's hope you're good at mazes. Nothing like a trip in the Great Big Blue. Aha! We made it! And we've got the last piece of the puzzle. Here comes the easy part. The antidote pretty much makes itself. Cheers, girls! You'll soon feel like your old selves. Looks like Huntrix is back and better than ever. High school can be rough, even for a demon hunter. Looks like someone's pursuing a solo career. A beauty contest? That'll help boost RUMI's confidence. And all that prize money wouldn't hurt either. Think of us as your very own fairy godmothers. Watch us turn trash into a chic new outfit. Okay, girls, fashion time. Strike a pose. Ah, diamonds. Truly a girl's best friend. Except for maybe that diamond magnet. Looks like the clock struck 12 for RUMI. Oh no! They're all gonna laugh at her! But not if we have anything to say about it. We'll get you an even better outfit. So clean up and relax in the apartment. A delivery? Ooh, it looks like penguins. This should set some light on things. We were right. We should start calling this place Club Goo Goo Gaga. They're rambunctious little birds, aren't they? And that was before they started breathing fire. I guess when you live in Antarctica, you appreciate the heat.
Yeah.
I think it's time to move these little babies. And right into the bathtub. Besides, penguins love the water. Let's play things safe and give each of them a diaper. And all that destruction probably left them hungry. Okay, kids, you've had a big day. It's nap time. And look, under the eggshells, it's a pair of boots. Start clicking your heels, 'cause it's time to go. Besides, it looks like Spunky Land needs us. And there's nothing a good song can't fix. I've heard of bringing down the house. Put a mountain? And a mountain full of glitter stars? What can't K-pop do? Wow! Candy-colored balls! And she's still not impressed? Wait, that's what she was looking for. Some Spunky cards. Step right up, Spunkies, and choose your color. First up is Ratty, I think. Go to the red. No, the red! Oh, I see. It was Simon all along. Which means this should be Pinky. And I'd recognize those headphones anywhere, Oren. And to thank you, a pretty pink princess dress. Let's hope Nick and Judy got a good deal on this place. Oh wait, is this a crime scene we need to clean up? Either way, a little soap and water wouldn't hurt. And we'd better crank out the old vacuum. Uh-oh, the Lynx family! And they brought hammers! I wonder if they made their money in demolitions. But we've got a carpenter's secret weapon, chewing gum. Still, we should probably cover the holes with bricks. Carpenters, like magicians, have to have a few secrets. We want things to look presentable after all. See, we've already got our first guest, Sussy. And I think we've got a housewarming gift. New furniture, and it's already assembled. If only it were all a little less beige. Well, when things look bleak, it's time to think pink. We should start our own home renovation show. And our reward, a bar of soap. Well, all right. Up next, it looks like Mario's in trouble. He's always saving Peach, but who's gonna save him? Well, us, obviously. The question is, how, though? Okay, we just need to hit the target and bullseye! Next, we gotta find some shapes. Well, a-fishing we will go. When we're done, let's do a benefit concert for the oceans. A can, throw it back, or in the recycling bin. We found a whole bunch of things, but do they fit the shapes? Okay, we did it! And Mario's a free man. Mario's already got RUMI's reward in mind. But while we're here, why don't we play a little game? A mystery box. I hope it's a fire flower. Even better, it's RUMI's prize, a makeup kit. Uh-oh, Sonic and Amy Rose are in trouble. But don't worry, we're a crafty group. A bridge! Well, that helps get RUMI across. But what can we do for you? Oh, I know. Apples! They're nutritious and delicious, especially in caramel. Of course, variety is the spice of life. But something tells me Eggman's not going to share. Well, at least we've got a plate. That's something, I guess. Don't worry, guys. RUMI's gonna teach that guy a lesson. And what better way to prove who's boss than a little race? Get your engines ready. However, this is a game of chance. You can only go as far as the dice tells you. Aren't racers supposed to have a need for speed? No matter, RUMI won! Now let's show her what she won! The last laugh! Okay, Eggman, time for you to walk on out of here. Now, RUMI, let down your hair. And they can climb the purple stair. You got a comb, and it looks like she needs it.